Welcome to NextGen Finance Hub. Hey, let me ask you something honestly. Have you been applying for remote jobs, sending CV after CV, but still not getting replies? If yes, you are not alone, because 2026 is going to be extremely competitive for remote work, but also the fastest year to get hired if you use the right method. Today I am giving you the exact CV plus portfolio strategy that thousands of successful applicants are secretly using to land remote jobs, even without long experience or fancy degrees. If you want a full step-by-step guide on any part of this, just comment "full guide please" and I will make it next. And stay with me till the end because I will reveal the number one mistake that silently destroys remote job chances. Let's start. Why your CV isn't getting responses. Most people are rejected in the first 6 seconds, not because they are not good enough, but because their CV doesn't show what remote companies look for. Remote companies don't care about long paragraphs, they care about clarity and proof. Your CV needs to answer these questions instantly. 1. Who you are. Number 2. What skills can you offer. Number 3. Can you actually do the work. Not responsible, hardworking, dedicated. Everyone writes that. What they want is the result, even small ones. This is where the CV plus portfolio strategy becomes powerful. Step number 1. Build a clean, result-focused CV. A modern remote CV is simple, one page only, short bullet points, results instead of duties, skills aligned with remote work. Examples of results you can mention even as a beginner. Completed sample task to improve workflow speed, created structured templates for email and communications. Manage tasks using online tools like Notion, Sheets or Trello. Dates show action, not theory. Your CV doesn't need to be beautiful, it needs to be clear and confident. At the end of your CV, add portfolio link. This changes everything. Step number 2. Build a simple 3 projects portfolio. This is the secret that gets people hired fast. Your portfolio doesn't need to be fancy, it needs to show proof. Here is the best structure. Project number 1. Skills demo. Example: email response sample, a small spreadsheet you organized, a sample research document. Project 2. Task execution. Show how you would handle a typical remote task, short, simple and practical. Project number 3. Mini case study. Example: how I improved task completion speed using digital tools. This shows you can think, organize and execute. Host it anywhere simple. Notion, Google Drive, Canva, all is free. This alone puts you ahead of most applicants. Step number 3. Apply on the right platform. Don't apply everywhere. Apply where good remote jobs actually exist. For full-time remote roles, search on Indeed, remote.co, Simply Hired and We Work Remotely. For skill-based or flexible work, go to Upwork, Fiverr or Contra. Always attach your CV plus portfolio link. This increases your reply rate drastically. Section 5. The number one mistake that destroys opportunities. The biggest mistake people make: they apply once and then wait. Remote companies receive hundreds of applications, but only a few people ever follow up. A simple message like, "Hi, just following up on my application. I have also included my portfolio link. Let me know if you need any additional information." This alone increases your chances more than you think. Use AI tools not to fake skills, but to organize your tasks, write clear English and improve your communication. A well-structured applicant plus AI efficiency is a powerful combination in 2026. If you want a full CV template or portfolio tutorial, comment "full guide please" below. And if this video helped you understand the process clearly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to NextGen Finance Hub for more real practical remote job strategies. See you in the next video.